Hello viewers, today we will discuss the dashboard management. All we know, dashboard gives us easy to read charts and graphs that help us to see how we are doing with the key metrics. In this session, we will discuss some features on the dashboards. In our roadmap, still we are on an end user track. We have a few more sessions. Refer to the video description and the playlist, and for our related information, thanks for your subscription. Please subscribe if you haven't already. So what are the topics today? We are going to discuss what is a dashboards, what is mean by default dashboards, and how to view the data, and how to create our personal dashboards. As easy to read charts and graphs. Now we are able to see it. In a dashboards we are able to see it. Charts and graphs. And users can explore detailed information within the charts and graphs. Basically, we can be able to drill down. So for example, if you select any one of the graph here, and then I can select drill down, and then based on the some other field, and you can be able to drill down a report or a graph. And it displays view. In this case, it displays the my activities with the columns that we wanted. We can be able to change the view as well, based on the system setup. And then when you are selecting the specific record, we can be able to do other actions like deletion, activate, merge, those kind of the based on the record type. So for example, if it's a leads or opportunities, we are able to merge, we can able to convert, we can able to do other actions based on the record type. Okay, and the next one is the default dashboards. When you are setting up or when you are logging in, and then the system administrator will set up the default dashboards. Okay, so in this case, sales activity social dashboard is the default dashboards, but user has the option to override the system-wide default. So in this case, basically, I can change to something else, and I can say sales dashboard set as a default, and then if you're able to see it, that's changed, right? So whenever I'm going to I'm going to open the other records and click on a dashboard. So it should be that sales dashboard because that's my default one. Third, the next one is now how we can be able to view the data. Okay, say by looking this graph, right? So for example, we are in a main dashboards, and then we have some graphs displays here, and then in the one of the options called view records. Basically, when you're clicking on view record, basically it goes to that entity. In this case is opportunity, and then it displays now some other graph. If it is based on the setup, it displays some other graph on that one. So basically we click on the my open opportunities, it displays other charts and then informations side by side, right? So this is the charts, and then the data belongs to the charts for this one. When you are selecting the records, then you can be able to see it actions based on the record type. In this case, it's opportunity. We have options. Users can easily create a personalized view for the specific informations. Say for example here, in the dashboards, you click a button here, dynamic 365 dashboards. So the dashboards data may come from CRM or from the external sources. Okay, so not need to be the data should be from here. And then the users can select or choose their preferred layout. Whatever the layout they are looking for it, they can able to change the layout. And then the user can able to customize each column and row individually in the dashboard window. Okay, so for example, now when you are selecting this one, so for example, I'm selecting this, and then when it displays here, and then each section, right, because we selected some template, and then each column we can be able to say, hey, the first column displays leads one, the second one you can say it an opportunity, the third one you can say activities. It's all based on the what we are preferring for that one. Okay, so once the template is set up, we can be able to create or insert a chart here. So for example here I can insert a chart, and then I'm going to say lead, and then I'm going to say all leads, and by source add, right? So I'm able to create a charts here. So like that, each one of them we can able to design what information we can display. So for example, the next one I can say, in this case I can say opportunity, and then yeah, I will give them my open opportunities. All opportunities just for a sake. So as I said, now each column, now each section, we can select a different thing, and then here now we have some other options like a assistant, iframe, web resource. We can select this one, and then we can save, and then I can say my dashboard. Okay, after save, just close this one, and then it will display my dashboard. This is my personal dashboard which I created. Okay. And then when we take a look at it, some other options also, we have some other options like refreshing this one, it's a normal one, and then we can expand the chart. Now it's just a it's a big view. And then another one is the as I said, the view data. When we go for here, right, because it's a leads, and then it basically it goes to leads entity, and then it shows all the other information. And then when you click on the three dots, then we have some other information. We can save this chart as a save as. You can save as, we can modify it, copy kind of thing. And then we can able to create another chart. We can import, export. Basically, we can export as the XML file, and then as a column we can import it for later use or later analysis. Okay, and then we can able to move other things. Basically, it's move means basically it's moving right and left. Okay. So using this dashboards, overall dashboards gives us easily read, personalized view, and then there is a lot of options which you're able to create a set of the default dashboards and some personal views as well. We discussed what is dashboards, and then what is a default dashboards, and then how to view the data. Now when you made a graph, how to view the data, and then we discussed how to create a personalized personal dashboard. So today we learned about dashboard management, right? And on the end user track. Next, we will discuss search, basically, how search works, and then what different types of search available. See you in the next session on a search. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.